Welcome back, hustlers of the online world. Here are 4 side hustles that would help you reach that $1,000 daily income. Let's get to it. Trash can cleaning service, a lucrative 2023. In the world of side hustles for 2023, one unique opportunity stands out: the trash can cleaning service. This innovative venture involves offering a valuable service by regularly cleaning trash cans using a pressure washer. In this instructional video, we'll guide you through the essentials of starting this side hustle and maximizing your earnings potential. Concept. The core concept of the trash can cleaning service is to provide a convenient and hygienic solution to homeowners and businesses. By utilizing a pressure washer, you can effectively remove dirt, grime, and foul odors from trash cans, leaving them clean and fresh. Startup costs. One of the most appealing aspects of this side hustle is its low startup costs. To begin, you'll need to invest in a pressure washer, which can typically range from $70 to $150, depending on the model and specifications. Additionally, you'll require some basic cleaning supplies like soap. These costs are minimal compared to many other businesses. Skills needed. No specialized skills are required to start a trash can cleaning service. However, it's crucial to learn how to operate a pressure washer safely. Many online tutorials and courses can guide you through the process of using a pressure washer effectively and safely. Marketing. To attract customers, you'll need to market your trash can cleaning service effectively. Consider local advertising methods such as distributing flyers in your neighborhood, leveraging social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and utilizing online community platforms like Nextdoor. Engage with potential clients, share before and after photos of your work, and encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Income potential. The income potential for a trash can cleaning service can be substantial. You can structure your pricing model by charging around $35 for monthly cleanings. For one-time cleanings or additional trash cans, you can charge more. The key to success in this side hustle is building a steady customer base. As your reputation grows and your client list expands, so does your earning potential. Canvas artwork sales. Unleash your creative side in a profitable 2023 side hustle. Are you a creative soul with a passion for art and design? If so, then the world of canvas artwork sales might be your ideal side hustle for 2023. This time we'll guide you through the ins and outs of turning your artistic talents into a profitable venture by creating and selling canvas artwork on platforms like Etsy. Concept. Canvas artwork. Sales involve the creation and sale of canvas art pieces adorned with motivational quotes, unique designs, or pop culture references. These visually captivating pieces can be a beautiful addition to any home or workspace, making them highly desirable to potential customers. Startup costs. The startup costs for this side hustle are relatively flexible. They mainly revolve around acquiring design software such as Photoshop or similar tools to craft your artwork. Additionally, you may need to invest in materials for creating or printing the artwork, depending on your chosen medium and style. These initial expenses are adaptable to your budget and creative vision. Skills needed. To excel in the canvas artwork sales side hustle, you'll need a blend of creativity and design skills. This includes the ability to create visually appealing and marketable artwork. You may also need to understand how to optimize listings on platforms like Etsy to increase visibility and attract potential buyers. While technical design skills can be beneficial, there are many resources available to help you develop these abilities. Marketing. Effectively promoting your artwork is crucial to building a successful side hustle. Start by setting up a shop on platforms like Etsy, where you can showcase your creations to a wide audience. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest to share your artwork and engage with potential customers. Paid advertising can also be a valuable tool to increase your reach and attract art enthusiasts. Income potential. The income potential in canvas artwork sales can be substantial, but it varies widely depending on factors like your artistic skill, marketing efforts, and the demand for your particular style. Successful artists have been known to make a significant income from selling their artwork online, and this side hustle offers the flexibility to scale your business as your customer base grows. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Amazon product review videos. Amazon product review videos stand out as an exciting and profitable venture. This instructional video will guide you through the process of creating video reviews for Amazon products and earning commissions through affiliate marketing. Concept. The concept behind Amazon product review videos is simple yet powerful. You create video reviews of products available on Amazon and earn commissions through affiliate marketing when your viewers make purchases based on your recommendations. This side hustle leverages the trust and influence you can build with your audience to generate income. Startup costs. While Amazon product review videos offer a relatively low barrier to entry, there are some startup costs to consider. You may need video recording equipment, which can range from a smartphone with a good camera to more advanced setups. Video editing software is also essential for creating polished content. Finally, you'll need a platform to host your videos, such as YouTube or a blog. Initial costs can vary widely based on your equipment and software choices, but they are an investment in your side hustle's success. Skills needed. To excel in this side hustle, you'll need video production skills, including shooting and editing videos. Creating engaging and informative content that resonates with your audience is crucial. You should also have a good understanding of affiliate marketing, as this will be the primary source of your income. Marketing. An audience is vital for the success of your Amazon product review videos. Platforms like YouTube offer a great space to attract viewers interested in product reviews. Additionally, you can consider starting a blog or using social media to complement your video content. By consistently creating valuable reviews and using affiliate links strategically, you can generate income when your viewers make purchases based on your recommendations. Income potential. The income potential in this side hustle is directly tied to your ability to attract a large and engaged audience. Successful affiliate marketers in this niche can earn substantial commissions. Your earnings will depend on the number of views your videos receive and the conversion rate of your affiliate links. Over time, as your content library grows and your audience trusts your recommendations, your income potential can increase significantly. Dropshipping from AliExpress. Discover a side hustle with immense potential in 2023. Dropshipping from AliExpress. In this instructional video, we'll guide you through the process of sourcing products from AliExpress, selling them at a markup on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own online store, and reaping the rewards of this exciting entrepreneurial venture. Concept. Dropshipping from AliExpress involves a simple yet effective concept. You identify products available on AliExpress, purchase them at a lower price, and then sell them at a higher price through various online platforms. By eliminating the need for inventory management and shipping, dropshipping offers a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business. Startup costs. While dropshipping offers a lower barrier to entry compared to traditional retail, there are still startup costs to consider. You'll need to invest in setting up an online store, which could range from creating your website to subscribing to e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Additionally, you'll need funds for marketing and, most importantly, the initial purchase of products from AliExpress. The amount you spend can vary significantly based on your niche and marketing strategy. Skills needed. Skills needed to thrive in dropshipping. You'll need a combination of skills. Research skills are crucial for identifying profitable products with high demand and competitive pricing. Setting up and managing an online store requires technical know-how, and marketing skills are essential for promoting your products effectively. Providing top-notch customer service is also vital to maintain a positive reputation. Marketing. Marketing is the lifeblood of a successful dropshipping business. You'll need to create a strong online presence through social media marketing, paid advertising, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your online store. Crafting compelling product descriptions, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your website for conversions are all part of the marketing process. Income potential. The income potential in dropshipping can be substantial, but it's not without its challenges. Success depends on your product selection, marketing efforts, and effective management of costs and profit margins. Additionally, keep in mind that competition can be fierce in the dropshipping arena. However, with dedication, innovation, and a keen eye for emerging trends, you can carve out a profitable niche in the e-commerce landscape. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.